Muny itself is a 11,000 seat amphitheater. We've been here for 106 years. We are America's oldest and largest outdoor musical theater. Back in 2018, we had lost a lot of our canopy over the years, so we were looking at a way to recapture that canopy that formed the background for our productions. We were looking for someone to partner with. Davey, their name kept coming up. We felt like they were the right team to help us with that work and then bring us into the future in terms of tree care.
The theater was built around two large historic bur oaks. So when they got ready to renovate the stage, unfortunately they needed to remove those trees. And that's when the stage tree project really started to evolve. Monitoring the trees, monitoring that system, consulting on tree health and plant health care. Whenever tree maintenance needs do come up here, we have the crews out. If they have an issue, we can respond to it really quickly and make sure that it's done in time to keep their visitors safe.
A lot of what we've done for the Muny here, we have pruned trees, we have taken down some large trees, and then now we're also doing plant health care for the Muny itself. All the people that are doing work are certified arborists. I mean, this is what we do. This is what we love doing. When you think of the Muny, you think of St. Louis. I mean, the Muny is a staple in this town, and it's really important to keep this place really nice looking.
I've been visiting the Muny Theater since I was a little kid. I got married here. I spend a lot of time here. It's still a really special place to me. With every step and every new evolution, Sean just had even more confidence in the Davey team. So I think it shows that, we really have given him exactly what he was looking for. I really look forward to continuing this project into the future and just watching this campus continue to thrive.
When you think about a park setting under the stars surrounded by trees, it's so important to that customer experience as they come in, and we feel that Davey is a part of that equation. We've come to trust Davey. We've been very happy with the services, not just tree monitoring, tree maintenance, but also the emergency response. So I see our partnership continuing indefinitely.